up, guys? It's your boy Tom, that no broke mind is moving at the Money Club Associates with the Entrepreneurs Lounge podcast. Make sure you guys go check out the new Entrepreneurs Lounge podcast on YouTube. Where you can go check out some of my newest episodes. I'll be uploading some older episodes that you can check out on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Play, and top major podcast platforms. Okay, so make sure you guys go check them out. You know what I'm saying? I have to do the shameless plug, but that's what we're doing. So what we got for you guys today is it's a little product review, because I like to do product reviews on different things that you can use in your business. So when you can use it in your business, you know, a lot of these things are write-offs. You know what I'm saying? All of your equipment, remember that. A lot of people don't even know that. So like, man, all your equipment anything you use targeted towards your business into proceeding to pursue a profit is a write-off, okay? So what I got for you guys today is a webcam. And I'm using the webcam actually now. So you can see how it works, you know what I'm saying? And man, see the great quality and how it does. And see how it, man, it has complete autofocus on it. It shoots 60 frames per second when most webcams do 30 frames per second, but this is a real big difference. So that's a real big difference in keeping up with the clarity, and it's in 1080p. Okay, so you can dumb it down to like to 720. So, but hey, man, this 1080p is it's great for YouTube, because you know what I'm saying, and it don't take up a lot of space, so you won't be trying to shoot them in like 4K. I was just learning about that. Like a lot of videos that's shot in 4K, they take up a lot of space, but like a lot of people can't even watch them in completely 4K in certain things. Like me personally, I watch a lot of YouTube on my phone, and sometimes I just mirror it to my TV, and then you can see the 4K difference when I mirror it to the TV. You know what I'm saying? So like this webcam it's a great, it's small, it's man, it looks durable. It has a privacy shutter on it, and man, like here it is, and it was only $50. $50 for it. So this is a 60 frames per second, 1080p. You know what I'm saying? HD webcam. So it's $50. You know, we all about saving a dollar. So make sure you guys go check it out. It's on Amazon, by the way. And you know what I'm saying, it also has dual stereo speakers. Man, it's plug and play. You ain't gotta do nothing with it. And I literally just plugged it into my hub. Man, blue light came on and it was rocking. That was literally it. So guys, go check out the Nexigo Webcam. If you're looking for a webcam, you're looking for something to do something better than your Mac built-in webcam, you know, Zoom meetings, things like that, man, this is the perfect webcam for you. So I'm definitely gonna leave the description down below so you can check out this webcam, and be sure to, man, put it in your arsenal if you're looking for some way to shoot some high quality footage. Okay, so this your boy Tom at the No Broke Minders Movement at the Money Club Associates with the Entrepreneurs Lounge podcast. I'll see you guys on the next one.